Yo, so any package from Midwest Products is a good day. Got me a brand new hoop. Let's check it out. If I can get the box open. They taped it very well. All three sides taped down. This is my second time ordering from Cathy Haug. I hope I didn't butcher her last name. Who is the owner of the very popular Facebook group Mighty Hoops. Let's hoop it together. I'll leave a link down in the description. She's reliable, knowledgeable, and highly recommended. So inside the box, here's the hoop itself. It came with some brackets, some screws. Shipping time was very average for me. It took a total of 7 days. Ordered on Tuesday. It arrived next Tuesday, but the shipping was free. I've heard people say they've gotten stuff super quick. It's coming from Illinois, and I'm in California, so here I'm installing the brackets. Each bracket has 3 holes in it, so it's going to use 3 screws on each bracket. On the top hoop itself, it has 8 holes. This is so you can adjust where the brackets need to be placed depending on which machine you have. The instructions state most machines use hole A, which is at the very last hole at the bottom up. So I'm going to start there. That's hole A. The brackets are marked L for left and right. And R for right, so you shouldn't fumble up which side goes where. With this hoop, it'll be easier to embroider the sleeves and pant legs, but I mainly plan to use it for graduation stoles. So I'm just tightening the screws as much as I can with my fingers. I'll end up using a screwdriver to make sure I get it tight as can be. So now here we are on the right hand side, basically doing the same thing. 3 holes, 3 screws, starting it off in hole A. Now let's get ready to throw it on the machine and check and see if I need to adjust. Let me tighten it first. So I threw it on the machine and immediately noticed I needed to readjust the brackets and move it over to hole B, so that the hoop will snap in place on the arm and not hit the back of the machine. So after I readjusted, I'm just tightening the screws again with the screwdriver. Back to the machine. Snaps in place. Look around. Here I was moving the machine back and forth just so you can see how far the needle comes all the way to the edge. And then here I was making sure that it wasn't going to hit the back of the machine. This is after I had readjusted it from the first hole to the second hole, which is hole B. Now on to add the hoop to my machine. I have a Happy Japan HCS 1201. That's a 12 needle. Again, the brand is Happy Japan. So this is how I do it for my machine. The process may be totally different for you. It reads in millimeters. So all I do is convert the inches into millimeters off of my phone's calculator. So now when I go to use it, my machine knows exactly which hoop I'm using. So, all in all, I currently own 6 Mighty hoops. I got 2 5x5s, 2 10x10s, which is the biggest size for my machine. I got one 6x8, and now I have the 4x13. These things are hella addictive, and once you get one, you'll be plotting on another.